love no be work for you, so you no go retire. Stop complaining.
Hi guys, hello, welcome once again to my channel. If you are new, I am Susanita Efe. You guys, today's tutorial is all about a brand new palette that I just got. You guys, I am so excited. This review is all about this palette right here. You guys, this is the palette that we will be working with today. And I must tell you guys, I really love this palette. I really like how the look turned out. And enough of the talking, to the tutorial now. As you can see, I've already done my left eye, so I'm just going to continue with the right one and let's get started. The first color I will go for is this one right here. This one right here. This is the one I'll be going for. So I'm just going to use it as a base. As you can tell from my eyes, I already primed my eyes and then I applied my MAC Studio Finish concealer. So before you apply eyeshadow, it's really nice when you apply like eye primer and then a Studio Finish concealer, or maybe you can apply a normal foundation. It depends on how you like it. So as you can see, I'm just spreading it all over. I'm just spreading it all over my eye. Into the area where I have my brow bones, like I don't want to mess with my eyebrows, so I'm going to switch the brush. I'm going to change to a smaller one to blend it very well. Like you can tell from this other part, to blend it very well, I'm just going to switch the brushes. At this point, you want to be gentle so you don't mess with your brow, because a messy brow is like a messy makeup as well. At this point, I'm not taking too much of the eyeshadow. I'm just taking it very light, not too much, and then I'm trying to blend it nicely. So now I am satisfied with the blending. The next color that I will be going with is this one right here. This one right here. That's the next one I'll be working with. So this is the one I'm going to apply just in front. As you can see, I'm not blending it till the end. I'm not blending it to the end because at the end you can see it's a more darker color, like it's very dark. So whilst applying this color, I'm not like taking it till the end. I'm just leaving it somewhere in the middle. It's a form of like I'm cutting my crease with it, but not till the end. Like this eyeshadow palette, you guys, I really like it. Like, look, it's like it's not falling too much. I like it. And I also like how the color is coming out. Now I'm going to go in with a third color. This one, let me change the brush. So I'm using another brush to go in with this one right here, this more darker one. So I'm just going to work with it from the back to somewhere in the middle. So now it's time to go under my eyes, and I will be using this Infinity Beauty KAJAL. This I got it from DM, so I'm just going to use this green color to go underneath my eyes. It's like pomade, so I just have to be very careful so I don't over apply it. Yeah, that's enough. I'm just going to use this right here to blend it. As you can see, as I blend it, it spreads. The next thing I will be working with is the eyeliner. I'm just going to use my eyeliner, the CATRICE calligraphic eyeliner. You guys, I really like this eyeliner. It's one that I like a lot. So I'm just going to line my eyes. going to continue with the rest part of the face. So first I'm going to be using my CATRICE primer, my face primer. Applying my primer, as you can tell, my skin is really acting up, you guys. Like, my skin is acting funny since I came back from Africa. Like, yeah, you know, after the natural tanning, I have to get my skin back together, so my skin is acting up. So now I will have to color correct my face. So I'm going to be using my stick foundation. This one is from Black OPAL, this one is NUTMEG. I will be using the stick foundation to like color correct the face. Next I will go in with my MAC Studio Fix Fluid. I'm just going to apply a tiny bit. Guys, as you can see, like from here to here, you can see that this foundation is way lighter than my skin tone at this moment. But this is my go-to like foundation normally, but because I kind of look darker than normal now, so that is why you see there is a huge difference between the foundation and my skin. So, but don't worry, that is why we are called makeup artists. I'm going to fix that. So I'm going to use my beauty blender to go all over. So next I will go in with my MAC Studio Finish Concealer. I'm just going to highlight my face with it. So with my beauty blender, I'm going to blend it nicely. Up, you guys, you know, this is one of my favorites. This is one of my favorite palettes, and this is the one I will be using to contour my face. And I'm just going to quickly take a brush right here, and this is the one I'll be using, this right here. Just to blend it all in. Oh, next I have to put some powder, so I will be using the SACHA Buttercup setting powder to complete this look. To blend it, I'm just going to go in with this brush right here to completely blend it all in. So you guys, I am going to apply my NWOKO setting spray. This is the matte setting spray. I will apply this before applying my... So let me just quickly apply this, you guys. I'm just going to leave this to dry and I will be right back to continue with this look. So now I'm just going to add a little bit of shimmer just around my cheekbone. I'm just going to use this MAC Studio palette. I'm just going to add a little bit of shine. I'll be using this one right here. I like this one because it's not too shiny and at the same time it's a little bit like brownish, or should I say pinkish. Just around my nose. Around my nose, I'll be going in with this one right here. So for my lip, I'm going to also use this a little bit just on top of my lips to give it that shine. So I'm just doing this to like fade it a little bit, just to fade the shine a little bit. Now it's time to wrap up this look. I'm just going to go in with a very cute and a very beautiful lipstick. This one is from HUDA Beauty. This lipstick is the one I will be working with, but before I apply this lipstick, I just want to quickly line my lip with the Davis Eye 18 Fashion Best Color Waterproof Makeup. Like it's like this one, what is even here? Like I think it's a multi-purpose. You can use it for your eyes, your lips, your brow. Yeah, that's what I think. So I'm just going to go in with this one right here to line my lips. Finish, I'm going to add a little bit of shine. This is Essence Wet Look Lip Gloss. I'm just going to add a little bit of shine to this lip and then go pop up some eyelashes and we are good to go. So guys, here's the finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to leave a comment down below. Let me know what you think about this look. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel already, please hit that subscribe button and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.